Oscar Uniform Delta Bravo, request taxi.
Oscar Uniform Delta Bravo. Taxi to holding point runway 27 via taxiway Bravo. And I have 2 arrivals. It may be a few minutes before I can get you airborne.
Well, Bravo holding point 27 and that's copied Oscar Delta Hotel. A correction, Oscar Delta Bravo. So, hello again guys. Sorry for the quick cut, or for the quick not showing anything here in Kangerlussuaq. We had to get things done quite fast, so. And yeah, priority number 1 when we do this is not filming or anything else. This is priority 1 is flying the aircraft, and this is why we do it like this. Okay, so taxi light is off. And the parking brake is set. Come on, land!
Yes, and a Kilo India to let another aircraft depart. I would like you out via taxiway Charlie, and then I'll cross you back to April North.
Right, via Charlie after landing, and then further instructions after Kilo India.
Thank you for that. So, where are you? Land! I have to get out.
Oscar Echo Uniform Delta Bravo, line up and wait runway 27. Still have another aircraft on the runway, so departure expected in 1 minute.
Lining up and wait runway 27 and the rest copied Oscar Delta Bravo. Landing taxi, EP.2 heat, transponder code is checked, brakes off, pumps on, project is clear, the runway was identified. Runway heading is checked, and unset the panel is checked.
Oscar Delta Bravo, clear for takeoff, runway 27, wind 1, correction variable, 8 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, Oscar Delta Bravo, and thank you for getting that aircraft out.
You're welcome.
Timer. Takeoff power. Takeoff power is set, and here we go. Good. Takeoff power is set, the engine instruments are checked. Airspeed is alive 2 times, and cross check 50. And rotate. Positive rate, brakes. Target speed 92 and no chance for reland, gear up. (1,000 feet). Setting climb power. Level change. 92. We start with the heading. And autopilot on.
Oscar Kilo India, cross runway 27 from Bravo.
That's a safe altitude.
27 Oscar Kilo India.
And we go to flight plan, direct GIGOM. And nav mode, GPS is green. And we do the checklist. Gears up, flaps are up, fuel pumps are off, climb power is set, alternate is not required, and landing and taxi light is off. And we're off.
Oscar Echo Uniform Delta Bravo, contact Thunderstorm approach on frequency 126.2.
Approach on 126.2, have a nice one, Oscar Delta Bravo, bye.
You too, goodbye.
Greenland 556 approach.
Go ahead, Greenland 556.
Stop the timer.
For information regarding the NOTAM about the restricted area for drone activity, the drones have been restricted to 1,000 feet or below instead of the published 3,500 feet.
Yeah, that's very interesting.
NOTAM will be issued.
This special e-race, e-off-road race from Nico Rosberg, this series is down there.
Thing, I assume.
Thunderstorm approach, hello again, Oscar Uniform Delta Bravo, passing 4,500, climbing level 180, inbound GIGOM.
Oscar Uniform Delta Bravo approach, hello, identify, climb flight level 180.
Climbing level 180, Oscar Delta Bravo. They are racing in Greenland now, in Kangerlussuaq. So, there were some jets standing there. And, yeah, there was a NOTAM out that there is a restricted airspace for drones, and I believe the drones are filming them while driving. So that was Greenland again. We're blasting out here. Transition 7000, standard Paro, and standard Paro 7200, 200, perfect. All good. So yeah, as always, climbing out, and talk to you later then. See you guys. Eastern approach, landing data received. Altimeter 2979er, set the bow. Passing 11.6. Check. Comnaf FMS is set.
Uniform Delta Bravo, descend 5,000.
Sending 5,000, Uniform Delta Bravo. 5,000 set. Comnaf FMS is set. Safe turn is fast. Just move back cross is plug and check. Released. Automatically cloud gear.
8752, Roger, vous pouvez laisser tomber le rappel avec la distance. Maintenant, vous êtes autorisé lorsque prêt, autorisé à quitter l'espace.
Landing and slide is on. Fuel sector is on. Fuel pumps on. Next is final. So guys, as you can hear, we approached Canadian soil. Woohoo! Atlantic crossing is basically done. The weather was way better than expected. So that's a good thing. Steve and Martin are already on ground. And I believe they're already getting their customs done.
Uniform Delta Bravo via Omtid, clear to Iqaluit Airport for the RNAV, runway 34 approach.
Via Omtid, cleared for the RNAV 34 to Iqaluit Oscar Delta Bravo.
Uniform Delta Bravo, Roger. Remain in my frequency for now. I have a departure in front of you.
We'll go. So then I can arm the approach. Glide path is white. So armed. Ah, that's such a cool feeling coming into the cloud. Shoo! That was not that bad. What do we have? -6 degrees. There is some ice coming. So then we do defrost full on. Checking. That's still good. This is why I love IFR flying. Because when you come out of the clouds, it's so cool to see how it looks underneath. So we're out already. But it looks amazing down there. Wow, what a place. But now I can close the alternate here. I'm gonna do a low drag, the Viennese approach now.
Uniform Delta Bravo, there was a departure in front of you, and there's also going to be a second one, a 767 departing runway 34. Give them a clearance cancel at 03, so it should be there should be enough time between you and him for wake turbulence.
That's copied, Oscar Delta Bravo. And Oscar Delta Bravo is starting the approach at Omtid exactly now.
Uniform Delta Bravo, yeah, you're in with me for now. You're still cleared for the approach there. I'll just wait for the time of departure on the cargo jet 767. As soon as I got their time off the ground there, I'll switch you over to the radio.
Copied. No, I'm in the approach. I leave this one on now.
Uniform Delta Bravo 767, just airborne runway 34. Contact Iqaluit radio now 122.2. See ya.
Accelerate on 122.2. Thank you for service, Oscar. Bravo, bye. Accelerate. Good day, Oscar. Uniform Delta Bravo is turning final on the RNAV 34.
Oscar Echo Uniform Delta Bravo, Calet Radio, Roger, runway 34. Wind 290 at 8, altimeter 29er 80.
Altimeter 29er 80, Oscar Bravo.
Roger.
Is set. And 1900 is captured.
Maybe you have noticed from now on we use inches of mercury for the altimeter setting and not the hectopascal anymore.
So now 1.5 miles before of the runway, I'm gonna dump the gear and pull the throttle back to idle and show you that I can do that with this aircraft. That's cool. Glide path is moving 1 dot above and the glide path is captured. Missed approach altitude is 2,500. Is set. Oscar the Bravo is fully established.
From Delta Bravo, Roger, wind 290 at 9.
So at this point, epoch, we should have 1,400 feet. And that's perfect. You see that? 170 knots on a 3.5 mile final. 3 miles. 2. And let's make it here. Idle and get on.
Check gear.
You see that? How it's braking?
Check gear.
Speed check, flaps, approach. And speed check, flaps, landing. And we even have to put power in there. Final checklist, flaps, gear, rudder trim, 1 mile, final, autopilot off.
Call it in the pushback.
Approaching the minimums.
Push back for Gate 2.
Roger.
Oscar the Bravo, confirm landing on discretion.
Uniform Delta Bravo, Calet Radio, affirmative.
Minimums.
We continue. So 3 green, flaps landing. Landing on discretion. I'm a bit too fast. I can do golf. Bit the wind off. Welcome to Accelerate. Day 2 is over. We've crossed the Atlantic Ocean. Yes! Tomorrow, day 3. And until then, I hope you have a good time and see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
I was going to try to shoot myself doing that, but the fuel truck came and it was a big mess, so I didn't bother. So I have to do the strip. Taking off the suits. So now you're welcome to Canada. Yes. It's actually kind of windy this one, eh?
It was.
Yeah.
It was. Where was it? From the left? Yeah, from no.
Left, yeah.
Yeah, from the left.
That's a little bit of a harder crosswind to deal with, I find, just because the way your stick is, like, it's not as comfortable as fighting a right cross.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
I was thinking like left rudder, no, right rudder.
Yeah.
Oh, we crossed it.
We did it, man. I get a fist bump. Boom. I think I got the shot. Yes. I got the wrong lens for this, but try to be far away. Canada, we did it.
So we made it across the entire Atlantic Ocean, and now Martin wants us to get up this freaking hill.
What's harder? We have to do it. We're here.
I don't know what's harder. I think it's this.
You can
Yeah, you can run. Goodbye.
He's gonna run. Oh my god.